All right, folks. This is day 7. They finished the building on this video that's getting ready to come out. Like, I've bragged on them enough. If you want a barn dominium, either contact me or Precision Trust and Metal in Litchfield, anywhere in the surrounding. I think they go up to 60 miles around the surrounding area. They are fantastic. Never seen a crew like them. They don't cuss. They don't complain. They are fantastic. They're Amish, and they do the best work I've ever seen. Precision, Trust, and Metal. They own their own company, and everything that they do is fantastic. They can build you a barn. They can build you a house. They can build anything you want. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. And there's a GoFundMe in the description if you could please. Anything you could do to GoFundMe. We're trying to get the electric finished at this point. It's been a couple months since they finished, but now we're down to the plumbing and the electric, and we got the rough end done, but now we need to get the electrician to finish the final on electric. So make a donation if you can. Give it a thumbs up. Pass it around to anybody that wants to build a house, and let them see how it's done. All right, here we go. Very nice corners. Color looks fantastic. Board batten, way better than siding in my opinion. It just looks better like that. Very impressive. This is almost done, except for this corner to your left on the top eave of the house and the gutters. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and pull these keys out of these doors and leave them unlocked. The smell of a new house. I bet this is the same key for both doors. Nope, this one's got them too. All right, this side's done. Except for that soffit up there. But man, what a good job. Looks beautiful. Eventually, when all the plumbing gets done, we'll put a porch on here. All they got is this eave. And everything looks fantastic. I like that brick. I should have done that stone all the way around the place. That's my fault. So, yeah, if I build another one, that stuff's gonna be all the way around it. Can't wait for the stairs, man. I wish they'd have put the stairs in first. Yeah, the upstairs be hollow. And I'll live at that corner right over there. We'll have the bathroom finished. And then we'll just do the upstairs later on. Or we sell it. I don't know what yet. But it sure is good looking. All right, back to work.